Trying to get your product in front of the right audience is pretty tough. Audio is the way to do it, you could argue, especially with increasing usage of podcasting and on-demand audio. That's why I got really excited when AudioGo reached out to me, and you could say they're kind of like the Facebook ads of audio. You can reach the right audience in an uber-targeted way, just as you're about to see. Thank you, AudioGo, for sponsoring this video, and find out how you can get your ad on iHeartRadio, Pandora, TuneIn, and other places in just a few clicks.
So here is an audio ad I had created, but you can also create your own using this service, AudioGo, using Request an Audio Ad, and have your own ad produced professionally within 2 business days for a very reasonable price. Now, this is AudioGo, and you can target many different platforms like TuneIn, Pandora, iHeartRadio, and it's super easy to go. No account executives to speak to. You can just set up a campaign, and you might have seen my series on Spotify Ad Studio. Well, with this, you can aggregate audiences from many different platforms, so you can really target down who you're reaching with an audio ad. Let me show you how this works. So here in the dashboard, you can click to create a new campaign. Enter the name of a campaign. So for me, I'm going to promote my YouTube channel. So MRC YouTube here. I can give it a budget. So minimum is $250, but for me, I'm going to go $500 here. Starting immediately, ending at the end of the month. And then you've got options like day parting. If you want to reach an audience at a certain time, click and drag, or just click certain areas, or switch it off entirely. The choice is yours. For audio creative, upload that audio ad. You can also, in addition to the audio ad, display images as well. Highly recommend you do this because you can target people with images as they listen to your audio ad. So I've got 3 different images here of different sizes. So 500 by 500, 300 by 600, 300 by 250, and they'll all target people at different devices and different operating systems with different ads. You can add a URL here. So for me, I'm going to add in the YouTube channel like this. And you can also add in a billing reference as well, if that's relevant to you. Down here, you can select an audience. So I can select gender. Maybe I'll say, well, I want males, and perhaps I want males between the age of 25 to 34. And as I'm doing this over here in the right, aggregated from Pandora, TuneIn, iHeartRadio, you're seeing the potential amount of plays of your audio ad and how many times your audio ad will actually play. Location is one of the most unique things about AudioGo. I love the way you can select states and counties here. And say, for instance, I was putting on a special event in New York. I could select the whole state of New York. But let's go even further than that. I can drill right down here and say, well, I want to select just people in Westchester. So remember, I'm selecting males aged between 25 and 34 listening in Westchester, New York. This is going to give a pretty amazing amount of estimated unique listeners here and potential amount of plays as well. Even further, I can target by music genre. So I might say here, well, I want pop music and top 40 hits to be selected. And as I do that, you'll see that this shrinks even further. So I'm really targeting my audio ad very, very specifically and getting a great amount of reach. Look at that. Potential amount of 34.3K plays, an estimated unique listeners here, a nice small audience that are going to hear my ad, and they're very, very relevant to me indeed. So once you've done that, you click to schedule the campaign. And once you've done that, here's one I created earlier. You'll actually see in your dashboard, you get the high-level overview here of your audio ad in progress. So in real time, you'll see how much you've spent, how many days you have remaining, how much of your goal you've got in total. You'll also get how many ads have actually played so far, how many unique listeners you've reached, the listen-through rate, which is pretty high because most of these platforms don't allow you to skip the ads, which is great, click-through rate on your image creative, and also the opportunity to pause and unpause your ad at any time. So AudioGo really does put you in the driver's seat and allow you to target a very, very micro audience that you want to reach for your small business, your small agency, your podcast. And you can do this all in real time. So if you want to start and stop the ad at any time, you are in control in the dashboard using audio ads. you can really effectively reach people and get them to take action. I'm super excited about AudioGo and where it's going. Go and check it out using the link down below and let me know how you get on creating your audio ad and advertising on AudioGo.
Music